Have you ever stopped to think about how your everyday choices shape who you are? From choosing what to eat for breakfast, to deciding to take on a new job, every decision is like a brushstroke on the canvas of your identity. It's fascinating, and it's all rooted in the science of the brain. Your brain is like a decision-making supercomputer, with different areas working together to guide your choices. The prefrontal cortex, the planner, helps you weigh options and keep impulses in check. Meanwhile, the amygdala, your emotional radar, tunes into fear and threats. The striatum and basal ganglia, they're your reward and habit gurus. And let's not forget the hippocampus, your memory bank, or the insula, which monitors your gut feelings and risk-taking. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The speed and efficiency of this brain network depend on something called myelin is like the insulation on a wire, helping brain signals travel faster and smoother. The cool part? Myelin continues to develop into adulthood, and it's influenced by your lifestyle. Exercise, proper nutrition, mindfulness, these can all strengthen your brain's decision-making power. Of course, stress throws a wrench into the works. Chronic stress and trauma can rewire your brain, making you more reactive and impulsive. But the good news is, your brain is incredibly adaptable. Through supportive relationships, self-care, and even therapy, you can retrain your brain to stay calm and make better decisions. Now let's talk about free will. It's not as absolute as we think. Free will is more like a muscle. It grows stronger with practice. Building self-awareness through mindfulness or journaling, setting clear goals, and aligning your actions with your values. These are all ways to take back control and shape your future decisions. So, what's the takeaway here? Every choice you make, no matter how small, is a chance to shape not only your day but your identity. Invest in your brain's health, embrace positive habits, and don't shy away from self-reflection. The science of decision-making isn't just fascinating, it's empowering. Now, go out there and make decisions that align with the person you want to become. Because every choice is a step toward the best version of you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science-backed insights into your journey of self-improvement. See you in the next one.